What is up, life agents? It's Pete Fournier coming at you for a minute from my last day in Paris, and I'm going to use a metaphor for the weather right now, which is when it rains, it pours with business. Use your momentum either this week, this weekend, whenever you're out there in the field, to continually write business. I've been getting a lot of comments and a lot of messages saying, hey, I hit my goal, or I was so close to my target. Have a great weekend, I'm out, or whatever the case may be. Don't stop. If you're that close, or you met or exceeded your targets or goals for that week, keep pushing. You're on a roll. Don't waste that momentum, because you're not going to have stellar weeks all the time. I've had days where I have no sales. I've probably had a week in the past where I've had no sales and a ton of sits. It happens. You run into people that are uninsurable. You're going to run into dumb prospects that are just too stupid to buy insurance. Whatever the case may be, use your leverage and the momentum of the business that you're writing to write even more, okay? You could have a great week and double it up in one day. So keep going. That's it for today. That's my daily tip. I'm Pete Fournier, and as always, I'll see you next time.